Slap bass is a great technique to apply to any stringed instrument, and you can apply it to any bass guitar, 4, 5, 6 or 12 string basses. Hi guys, I'm Mike Prince and I'm really happy to be here today with Teach Me Music TV to bring you a slap bass masterclass where I'll be focusing on the 5 main fundamentals of the slap bass technique. This masterclass will be a great asset for you as I'll be delving deeper into this technique and giving you loads of examples bit by bit. And the technique of slap is a much punchier kind of approach to playing bass rather than the traditional fingerstyle approach or even with a plectrum, and it gives you a sound that almost has a metallic quality, it's punchy, and the bass line is always groovy.